Okay, so now let's move on to the Microsoft Excel. The information in cell, B2 up until F12. This is just the input data that we have. Like, so we have 10 persons here. That we have the information about the gender, the marital status, and the income level. So these are the three attributes that we want to see, which one of these should be used as the attribute to classify uh, persons into trees. So we want to explore these three attributes. So the first one is the gender, second one is the income level, and the third one is the marital status here. So in terms of gender, there are two types, female or male. For the income level, we have high, average, and low. For the marital status, we have single, married, or divorced. So these are, the attributes for this example. And we want to count, let's see here in cell D15. We want to count how many females are there who actually buy the yogurt. So in order to do that, we can do equal count, C-O-U-N-T, count if the range that we want to see is C3 to C12. So we want to see this range, the female, fix the range, okay, and then put C15. We want to see if it's the female or not. Fix the C. And next, we want to see whether the female have bought the yogurt. So we also want to fix the range for the yogurt. And D14, which is the yes. We want to see if it's a yes or a no. So we want to fix the row 14, okay? And then enter. So there are 0 females who actually buy the yogurt, and so we just copy this, D15 to E15, and also to D16 and E16 for the males. So these 4 values are the ones that we'll use to calculate the entropy for each attribute and also the impurity, right? And we are going to do the same thing for income level and also for marital status. So let's just do it. So this is going to be equal count if the range, which is the income level here. So this is E3 to E12 and fix 14. And count if this is C19, count if it is high. And we want to fix the C column. We want to see if these income level buy yogurt. Fix the yogurt column. And also see if it's a yes here. So, ding, ding. Okay, we want to fix the row 18. Enter. Do the same thing for the no, and do the same thing for the average and low. So for example, the income level high, there's no one who buy yogurt. So there are 1 and 2 and 3 high income level, and none of them has bought yogurt. So we did it pretty much correct. Okay. Oops, sorry. So let's just keep doing it. I have all the count in the income level, and let's just do the same thing for the marital status. So count eves. The marital status is this column right here. Fix it with F4. And then see if it's the single one, fix it with single column D, and also find the range whether or not they buy the yogurt. And oh, sorry, I forgot to fix it. Fix it. Fix F3 too. Fix it. And finally, see if it's a yes, and fix the row 23. Close it, enter, copy, and down. Okay, so now we have all the counts here. For the total, I think this is really straightforward. You just sum everything up. So this is going to be sum of these two values. So just do that. So this is the sum of these two values, and then copy it down. Sum of these two values, copy it down. So you just have to notice that the total here has to be summed up to 10, right? Because in total, you have to have both females and males count as 10. Similarly, for the income level, high, average, and low income level has to be summed up to 10. So if you don't sum it here and get a 10, then there's something wrong with your formula, so double check your formula. Next, we're gonna find the fraction of, let's see, we wanna compute the fraction of observations that for each attribute value. So here we wanna find the fraction of the female divided by the total, which is 10. So this is the sum of 3 plus 7. So the fraction is 0.3. This is correct. And we also want to copy and paste. Actually, I can just drag down everything and delete the cell that is not needed. So delete, and then just make the format correct. It's up to you. You can, oh, I think it's too bad. I don't like the color. Let me just do it one by one. So this is this divided by the sum of all. Sorry. Actually, I did something wrong here. The sum of F15 to F6, this is gonna be fixed, right? So let me just fix it and then copy it. Okay. And this I also need to fix it. And then I can just copy it later on. Okay, so this is gonna be that divided by the sum of that F4, close, enter. All right, so now I have a fraction of each attribute for each variable. Now, once I have the fraction, then we want to find the PI times, log 2 of PI. So let's just do it. For age 15, we want to say something like that first, and I can explain later. So equal, if error, if there's something wrong with the formula, ERROR, if error, and then D15, okay, divided by the F15, okay, times log of D15 divided by F15, and I want to fix the F. So fix the column F, and this I also want to fix the column F. Okay. And this is log 2, so I just put 2 here. If there's anything wrong, if there's an error, just put 0. Else, just put the value here that we put in. Okay, so enter. All right. Because sometimes log of 0 is undefined. So if it's undefined, we just want to give it a 0. Okay, let me just copy it down. So this is minus 0.52. Okay, got it. Dun, 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 dun. Similarly, we want to do J15 to so for J15, oh, we want to do, there are 4 of these, so we just want to copy that down. Okay, so this is the if error E15 is the null divided by the total times the log of the null divided by the total. So this is correct. So for the entropy, this is just the sum of the two. And we just copy it down. Now we have all the entropy. And finally, for K15, which is the impurity, we want to have it as the minus sum product of G15, G16, and this entropy. Okay, so this is the impurity when you use gender as the split. Okay. Note though that there should be a minus sign here. I forgot it in my note here. Let's just see. So for the impurity in the formula right here, I put, let me put the minus sign. So there should be a minus sign here for the impurity. So don't forget about that. All right, let's go back to the oops, sorry, this is the done one. Now let's just do the entropy for income level and marital status. In here again, we want to do if error, and then you want to put in the value, and the value is high income level with the yes divided by the total, which is a 3. This is for age 19. Okay, so for age 19, and then you want to fix the F. Okay, and this is times LOG of D19 divided by 3, and I'm going to fix the F. And this is 2. Okay, and we put 0, close it. All right, and then just copy it down. All right, and then the entropy is just the sum of these two. All right. So I have the entropy for the income level, and now the impurity. Here, previously we have the sum product between the fraction and the entropy, so we're gonna do the same thing. So this is the sum product between the fraction and the entropy. And we got the, oh, and I forgot the minus sign, sorry. Minus. Okay, so this is 0.32. So using income level is better than using the gender. And now let's see if we use marital status, it's going to be better than the income level. So let's just do it. So this is going to be the 24 divided by the F column. This is going to be F. Oops, I forgot the if error. So if error D24 divided by, oops, sorry, I did something wrong. Okay, D24 divided by that times the log of D24 divided by F24. Fix the F column. Oh, it's just the base 2. And then put 0 if it's an error. Copy down the formula. Okay, and then the entropy is just going to be the sum of these two. Copy it. Impurity is equal to minus sum product between the fraction and the entropy. Okay, so as you can see, using income level is definitely better than using gender and marital status as the classification, tree in the classification tree. All right.